Po yung room namin sa Savoy Hotel. This is Savoy Hotel. The room is good enough for 2 person. Yan, may king size bed. Queen size lang yata ito, no? Oh, so queen size bed. But it's good enough. Malakas ang aircon, tahimik. Yung place na to, it reminds me of BGC and Eastwood. Yan. So, itong place na to, tahimik. From airport to Savoy Hotel or New Town, kasi tawag nila rito is New Town. This place they call it New Town. Parang mga 15 to 20 minutes plus and minus by Grab or taxi. Kasi experience namin by Grab is like 300 lang siya. 300 pesos. Yun. And napansin ko dito sa lugar na to, yun nga, sabi ko nga, maraming mga makakainan, marami siyang may grocery siya, may convenience store, what else marami ako napapansin dito, maraming mga foreigner dito, especially mga Koreans, ang dami nila rito. Yun. So may mga ganito, may mga saksakan sila na ganyan, yung USB. Yan. So para ma-idea lang kayo yung mga saksakan nila rito. Yan. Yan. So meron din sila mga toiletries. Wala lang nakita sleeper. Baka meron siguro pa nag-request ka. Yan. So yung place is pwede na, convenient na. Kasi pag bumaba ka, available naman mga convenience store for 24 hours. Convenience store is available 24 hours and there's a grocery store, there's a restaurant, there's a food court. Yun. And there's a lot of dogs outside. Mga askal na dog. Yeah, that's all for the vlog. The room is, for me, is good enough. Kasi dalawa lang na kami. Okay, so just for couple, this room is good enough. Because most of the time you spend your time outside. Kaya you no need for fancy hotel. This is good enough. Compact. They call it compact. But this hotel is class for me. Is class. Like, class A, class B, class C, di ba? Nasa in between siya ng B and A. So, yun. And very tahimik. Very quiet, this place. Okay, that's all for this vlog.